Welcome to Leather Magic. Today we will take a closer look at our leather repair compound, DT152. DT152 creates extremely soft, flexible and permanent repairs to all types of leather that have been cut, cracked, scratched, torn or otherwise in need of repair. Does your seat look like this? Can it be saved? Yes, of course. DT152 will help you get the seat in new condition again. Oh, come on, play it again, Sam. Start by washing the seat with leather cleaner from Leather Magic, which is a market-leading leather cleaner. Then sand the leather with a sandpaper or a sanding pad until you are satisfied. Then it's time to prep the surface with Leather Magic Leather Prep. The leather prep will remove all dressings, protectants, waxes and oils from the surface of leather. This will open the pores of the leather and create a permanent bonding to all leather and colorant materials. Believe me when I say that Leather Magic Leather Prep is so effective that you can do this job with suit and tie. Here's the beautiful result. Here we have a Corvette that has not received the love and care it deserves. The new owner wanted a working environment in a new condition, so we called Leather Magic, and we humbly thank him for that. It's always fun to restore a future classic. Here we work in a Maserati Indy. Of course, we used the DT152 on our way to recreate the elegance this 70s car offers. A job like this costs a lot more than maintaining your leather with leather care kits from Leather Magic. Here we have a chair designed by a Danish designer called Arne Jacobsen. The chair is called The Egg. It's very, very beautiful. Here you can see the result, from grey to royal blue. Here's today's object, a very tired seat from a Volvo T5R. We would like to show you how user-friendly and compliant the DT152 is to work with. As you can see, it's almost as if DT152 finds all the small tears and wears that need to be leveled out completely by itself. Once the surface is prepped, the DT152 won't compromise when it comes to the adhesion of the leather and the damage you wish to repair. It will even stubbornly attach on loose fibers. Here's the result. Do you think the owner was satisfied? Thank you for watching.